The Barbados Coalition of Service Industries has been reminded of the role its members can play in helping map out economic strategy for Barbados. Minister in the Ministry of Finance, Straughn, says key areas of investment can be identified if they participate in initiatives like the Central Bank's Balance of Payments Survey.
Practitioners within the service sector, as well as government, can then mobilize domestic and regional financing resources to see how we can scale up not just what you're delivering in Barbados, but effectively how we are going to get the service delivery to be global, such that the foreign exchange will flow back in the same way that as tourists arrive, and that generates a certain amount of activity in the economy.
The issue of modernizing the sector has also been raised, and the digitization of business systems is vital to the process.
The impediment now is to get the private sector, no matter where you are in the private sector, to modernize and digitize the way that you deliver your business, because as the banks have made the investment in terms of bringing the digital platforms to you, the adoption of that now is really going to how quickly businesses adopt that technology is going to make a huge difference. Now, equally, we've said we cannot rely solely on the traditional correspondent banks. Therefore, you've seen us make very specific efforts to work with the African Exim Bank and others because at the end of the day, if we are going to diversify economically, then we can't only be doing business with Europe and the United States.
President of the BCSI, Wendell Cumberbatch, says the full potential for growth and diversification has to be unleashed by embracing innovation and fostering entrepreneurship.
Economic diversification is not just a choice. It is necessary. In today's rapidly evolving global economy, countries must adapt to changing trends, technologies, and consumer demands. By expanding and diversifying our services sector, we can reduce our reliance on traditional industries, mitigate vulnerabilities to external shocks, and create a more resilient and sustainable economy.
The BCSI celebrates 21 years this year, and its Chief Executive Officer, Michelle Smith-Mears, says they're committed to creating the enabling environment for businesses to thrive locally, regionally, and internationally. Wendy Burke, CBC News.